I have a friend who hates her job. जब भी मैं उसे कॉल करती हूँ वो एक ही चीज़ बोलती है. She does not like the money, she does not like the hours, the stress is too much and the work is not interesting at all. पर अगर मैं उसे बोलूँ move out of your job, then she says no. ऐसा बोलते बोलते 10 साल निकल गए. Yes, 10 years. It's a very long time. But people end up doing this, not just with their jobs, but with their marriages, their houses, their situations, and even appliances. People can end up using broken things for years together. Do you know why? Because the brain prefers a known situation much more than an unknown one. It will not easily allow you to move from its known brokenness to the possibility of a future, even though it might be better for you. Hi everyone, my name is Nayantara. I'm a counselor and psychologist, and through these videos, I try to bring you information to help you to get to know yourself better. Today, we are talking about the prison of predictability. Let's take a deeper dive into understanding exactly what this is. Our brains are wired in a particular way, not for success, not for our happiness, but for survival. Yes, survival. इसीलिए ब्रेन का फ्लाइट या फाइट रिस्पॉन्स होता है जब कोई भी सिचुएशन डेंजरस हो जाती है. It is not just for the physical, but even for emotional. For the brain, whatever is safe is equal to predictable, or predictability is equal to safety. So, your mind ends up looking for safety wherever you go. Now, a few thousand years ago, when we did not live in these urban, predictable setups, people actually used to live out in the wild. Things were unpredictable. They did not know उनका खाना कहाँ से आएगा, उनका पानी कहाँ से आएगा, and if they stepped outside the boundaries that they were in, it meant actual danger or even death. But today in our modern world, our lives are not like that. They are very different. To say the least कि हमारी basic situation at least काफ़ी predictable है. So the other situations which are usually emotional situations are what the brain counts as unpredictable. What does this include for us? Well, it could be comparing yourself with your friend or telling yourself, I'm not good enough, avoiding something new because it seems too threatening, or not wanting to learn something new because your brain perceives it as unsafe. This is why people stay in what I call the predictability prison. The mind gets trapped in a prison of predictability. For example, a student can do better, but because with 4 hours work he gets 80%, he remains happy with that. Putting another hour of work seems a lot of mental effort and a completely new routine. Someone who hates their job ends up continuing with that job even though they do not like it. Applying for a new one will mean कि पूरा रूटीन बदल जाएगा, नई चीजें सीखनी पड़ेगी. इससे अच्छा let's stick to the job even though I hate it. Someone who constantly compares themselves to someone else continues to do so because that is what their brains have gotten used to. Your mind is constantly telling you, I know this pain, I have experienced this before, let us stay here. Don't move into something you do not know. But here's the real problem. Most people don't reach the end of their limit. They reach the end of their familiarity. They are at the edge of their familiarity and whatever is ahead looks completely different. अगर वो इस familiar level से आगे shift हो जाएंगे तो उसका मतलब होगा more responsibility, more visibility, different opportunities, and the brain perceives all this as very uncomfortable. Suddenly, you hear your thoughts telling you, maybe I'm not fit for this. Maybe this is not the right time. शायद ये मैं अगले साल करूँ तो ज़्यादा better होगा. All the thoughts that will come to your mind will try and stop you from moving into a new zone. And that is because the brain prefers a life that it understands, even if it is smaller than the life you are actually capable of. So, here are two takeaways for you. The first is that familiar does not mean safe. Just because आप किसी चीज़ को पहचानते हो और रोज़ उसके साथ इंटरैक्ट करते हो, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो आपके लिए सेफ है. It only means that it's known to you. People confuse comfort with safety, but sometimes comfort is just a cage that you've gotten used to. The second is that growth always feels unsafe. Remember your first day at school, the first day at a college, the first day at your new job? It felt uncomfortable. You felt out of place. You felt everything is unfamiliar. But धीरे धीरे जब आपने वहाँ पे टाइम स्पेंड करना शुरू किया, लोगों से इंटरैक्ट करना शुरू किया, तो चीजें बेहतर होती गईं. The brain always perceives a new situation at an alert level. It tries to look for danger. But new things are unfamiliar. That is why the brain perceives it like that. If you spend time there, if you get to know people and allow yourself to interact with that environment, the brain gets used to it. So do not perceive something new as dangerous at first sight. The real question is not, is this comfortable for me? क्या मैं safe feel कर रही हूँ? So the real question is, am I staying in this zone because it is right for me or good for me? Or is it just because it is familiar? अगर मैं इसको चेंज करती हूँ तो मुझे डर लग रहा है इसको चेंज करने में. If I move out of this, it will be uncomfortable for me. Remember, the life that you want begins just outside this prison of predictability. Thanks for watching the video. If you find our channel helpful, do subscribe to it, like the videos and share it with your friends. Thanks.